Your car's engine is the heart of your vehicle. Ignore the warning signs and you could be looking at repairs costing thousands of dollars. In the United States, engine failure is one of the top reasons drivers face unexpected breakdowns. In this video, you'll learn the most common engine problems, how to recognize them early, and what you can do to protect your car. Engine overheating. One of the most dangerous engine problems is overheating. If your temperature gauge climbs into the red zone or steam comes out from under the hood, your engine is in serious trouble. This often happens because of low coolant, a faulty thermostat, or a broken cooling fan. The solution is simple but critical. Regularly check coolant levels, fix leaks immediately, and never ignore overheating warnings. Strange engine noises. Knocking, ticking, or grinding sounds are not normal. These noises usually mean low or dirty engine oil, worn internal parts, or timing belt issues. In the US, skipping oil changes is a major cause of engine damage. Using the manufacturer-recommended oil and changing it on time can save you from expensive repairs. Engine won't start. A car that won't start is frustrating, especially during busy mornings. Common causes include a weak battery, faulty spark plugs, or fuel delivery issues. Before calling a tow truck, check your battery health and listen for engine cranking sounds. Regular maintenance prevents most starting problems. Loss of engine power. If your car feels sluggish on highways or struggles to accelerate, your engine may not be breathing or fueling properly. Clogged air filters, dirty fuel injectors, or faulty sensors are common causes. Replacing air filters and running injector cleaning services can restore lost power and fuel efficiency. Excessive exhaust smoke. Smoke color tells a story. Black smoke means too much fuel. Blue smoke signals oil burning, and white smoke can indicate coolant leaks. These issues should never be ignored, as they can quickly turn into major engine failure. Importance of engine oil. Engine oil keeps internal parts lubricated and cool. Driving with low or old oil is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine. In the US, most vehicles require oil changes every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Always follow your owner's manual. When to visit a mechanic. If your check engine light stays on, overheating continues, or loud knocking sounds appear, visit a professional mechanic immediately. Early repairs are always cheaper than full engine replacement. Conclusion. Engine problems don't happen overnight. They give warning signs first. Pay attention, maintain your car properly, and your engine will reward you with years of reliable performance. A healthy engine means peace of mind on every drive.